my name is Teacher Beldy. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I shared with you on how to make a self-introduction video. And today, I will share with you on how to make your own video resume script and what to include in your video resume script. Here are the things that you need to include in your video resume script. Self-introduction. Your self-introduction may include your name, your major, and the position you are applying for. Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Bell. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. I have heard that your company is looking for an ESL teacher, and I am here to be a part of your prestigious company. Mention the activities that you participated when you were in college or when you were a university student. Since you're a fresh graduate and you haven't had any experience related to the job you are applying for, it's best for you to mention the activities you participated when you were in college. But please remember, you need to choose the activities that are related to the job you are applying for. English is my favorite subject, so when I was in college, I loved to join activities that could help me improve my English speaking and writing communication skills, such as speech and writing competitions. Why interested in getting this job? Teaching English is one of my greatest dreams because I believe that teaching English gives me a chance to improve more. It's also an advantage for my professional development. In addition, it also gives me an opportunity to improve someone's life, to prepare him or her to survive in this very competitive world. Give your contact details. I can be reached through my email and my telephone number. Thank you for your time watching this video resume, and I look forward to talking with you about this employment opportunity.